This is another exercise I have taken in subject verb agreement. So fill in the blanks with the verb that agrees with the subject in each of the following sentences. So you know what we have to do here? We have to first decide whether the subject is singular or plural. Accordingly, we will fill the verb. Now coming to the first sentence, several trees in the forest. So you know ki several trees is plural, several trees. So it will take a plural verb. So options are has, have. So what will be the plural form? Have. Several trees in the forest have been felled. Now coming to the next one. Either of the two men. Now look, two men is plural. But if we are saying either, either means we are talking about from the only of one man. Either of the two means from the two only one. So either of the two means from the two only one we are talking about. So we are talking about only the one man. Okay, can be the first one or can be the second one, but it will be only the one. So it is a singular. So it is a singular subject. It will take a singular verb. So if options are is, are, so it will take is. Either of the two men is strong enough to move the rock. Now next one. Many women. Many women. Women is plural and many also plural, used before a plural noun. So it's a plural subject. So it is a plural subject. It will take a plural verb. So options has, have. So we will fill the plural verb have here. Next one. The memory of my friends who went away many years ago still dash me happy. So options are makes and make. Now makes is singular and make is plural. Now the memory of my friends. Here my friends plural, but we are only talking about the memory, not the memories. Okay, so memory of my friends. So here the thing is about the memory of my friends, means only the memory, not the memories. So it is a singular subject. So it is referring to a singular subject, then it will take a singular verb. So we will fill a singular verb here, makes. So for deciding whether the subject is singular or plural, we have to read the full subject. The memory of my friends. My friends, what of my friends? The memory only. Next one. Much of what you are saying dash incorrect. Option is, are. So here, much of what you are saying. So whatever you are saying, from that much. That means we are referring to this as a singular, as one. Much of what you are saying is incorrect, because we have taken this as one quantity. Much of what you are saying. Next one. Each of the fruits growing in the orchard dash plucked carefully and cleaned. Now options is, are. So each of the fruits, each fruits are so many, but we are talking about the fruits separately, talking about each fruit. Okay, so if we are taking each fruit separately, so it will take a singular verb, because each of the fruits means we have in mind about each fruit, not we are taking as group. So it will take a singular verb. Each of the fruits growing in the orchard is plucked carefully and cleaned. singular, referring to singular, each. Next one, neither the Pandavas nor their guru. Next options was, were. Now if the sentence is of neither nor, then you have to put the verb here according to the near subject. So subject is guru only, singular, so it will take a singular verb only, was. Either Ravi or I dash going with him. Options am, is. Now if the sentence is of either or, then it will follow the near subject. The blank, what is the near subject? I. So I will take am. I am going with him. A few of the numerous stars in the sky. Options is, are. So a few is a plural. That means a few of the numerous stars. Stars are so many, numerous. But we are talking a few. A few means many. Not full, but many. So this makes plural sense. So if it makes plural sense, then it will take a plural verb. So in between is or are is the plural verb. So we will fill are over here. Next, the health of most of the people working on the streets. Now, most of the people is plural. But what we are talking here, we are talking about the health, not health. We are talking about the health of most of the people. So there are so many people, but we are talking about only one thing of them, is the health. Yes, so the health means singular, so it will take a singular verb. Options is, are, then it will be, answer is. Your next sentence is, no news dash good news. Now look here, what happens, some of the subject looks plural, but they are actually singular in sense. No news. So news, it is NEWS. It looks like a plural, yes, but altogether headlines are called news. Yes, so news is a singular. It looks plural, like mathematics, physics, they are one subject, so they are singular. But if we write like mathematics, it ends with S. It looks plural, but it is actually singular. The same is with news also. So no news is singular. Is or are, if the subject is singular, the verb will be singular. Is. No news is good news. Now coming to the next one. A good man and useful citizen. Now good man and useful citizen, we have to decide here first, good man and useful citizen are two different person or one person only. So we are saying if article is used only once, like a here, so that means this thing and this thing goes to one person only. Good man and useful citizen, we are telling good man and useful citizen to a one person only. If it is like this, a good man and a useful citizen, so we will make it a plural form. We consider it plural because it will be two different person. A good man and a useful citizen makes a sense of two different person. But here a good man and useful citizen means we are telling the one person to good man and useful citizen. Okay, so this makes a sense of singular subjects. If it is a singular subject, it will take a singular verb. So the answer will be from the has, have, between the answer will be has. Now coming to the next one. The United States. Now, the United States is a country. It looks plural, but altogether it's make a one country, and we say US, the US, United States. Yes, so it is a singular actually, but it is looking like a plural, but it is actually singular because it is a name of the one country. Okay, so singular verb has. Now coming to the next one, 15 minutes. Now 15 minutes, it is also looking like a plural, 15 minutes, but it is a one quantity. Like we are saying 15 minutes is left, 10 kilometers is there. So 10 kilometers, 15 minutes is actually plural, but if we are using it in a sentence and considering as one quantity, that means it is a singular. So 15 minutes dash allowed to each speaker. So we are considering this as one quantity because this only is allowed to each speaker. So if we are saying 15 minutes are is wrong, it will be 15 minutes is allowed to each speaker. Next, time and tide dash for no man. Wait, waits. Waits singular and wait plural. Without S, ordinary verb is in plural form, and with S, ordinary verb is in singular form. So time and tide. Time and tide is a one identity. We cannot separate these because it is a saying and we say like this only, time and tide dash for no man. So it is one only. It is indicating to one thing only. So if it is one, it will take a plural, singular verb. So answer will be waits. Waits for no men. So these are some subjects which we feel like, which look like a plural form, but actually when you read the sentence and when you find out the sense of it, it makes a singular sense. So it will take a singular verb.